tonight. It's just after midnight, but I've got a couple of lights roughed in and one of these new lighting circuits almost complete. Tomorrow I'll do the cans in the room where the camera is located, which is going to be eventually the bar area. For now, I've got both circuits in the bedrooms ready to go. I only have one light can connected on each circuit, so but all the holes are drilled. They're ready to receive wire, so I'll get that knocked out and move on to a little bit more electrical tomorrow. I'll see you then. Good evening, it's Friday, November 5th, and tonight I'm doing even more electrical work in the kitchen. I'm gonna try to get as many of these branch circuits done in the kitchen as I can. So specifically, I'm working on the small appliance circuit, and the cabinets are gonna stop at 36 inches, that's the countertop height, and there will be a backsplash up 18 inches to where the cupboards begin at 54 inches. Ideally, I wanna keep my wires in this 18-inch range, and the reason for that is at 54 inches, where my cupboards are gonna start, I'll be putting in blocking, and that's so that I can drill my cupboards into the blocking and have them properly supported. That'll happen all the way around the kitchen. So if I've got wires where I need to have blocking, that's gonna interfere. Or if I have wires running behind that blocking, where I'm drilling in to support my cupboards, I can still hit a wire. So keeping it in this 18-inch range is ideal, and that's what I'm gonna get going on right now. It's 2 in the morning, I'm calling it a night, but it's good because I got a bunch of lights in tonight. Keep in mind, most of these circuits only have half of their bulbs installed, just to test things. The best part is, I actually have a little bit of light so I can work at night now. This will really help speed things up. Good afternoon, 6th of October here. I'm gonna run a few more branch circuits in the kitchen. The kitchen is almost done. Just have to hook up the microwave, the refrigerator, and the garbage disposal, and it is done. I want to briefly talk about this area here. I did some cleanup. This receptacle is the switch for the disposal, and I had it wired over here, but I didn't want that wire getting in line with the plumbing, so instead I took it up, around, and down. I think that'll be better. As for this gang box, that is for the dishwasher, and it is clearing the plumbing up this way. Next up, roughing in the water line for the refrigerator. But I did make a few trips to Lowe's and Home Depot trying to get this finished. So this is the drain and the vent pipe for the laundry system. It's a pretty standard connection. 1.5 inch pipe down at the bottom. We've got an 1.5 inch clean out here. This is of course the sanitary tee, and the actual outlet for the hot water, the cold water, and the drain will be in this bay over here. So I'll need to have my P-trap here, a hole in this joist, and then into this sanitary tee. I need at least, well, to be to code, the P-trap arm here needs to be at a minimum twice as long as the diameter of the pipe, 1.5 inches, so 3 inches. I'm just gonna go into the next bay, just give it a little bit more room, P-trap, and then we'll come up here into the outlet box. I also got some cheap lights for the family room, and check out how bright it is.